Okay, so here I am in ChatGPT and I just want to run the same prompt again. So I'm just going to click over here on this little plus. So just note I have the paid version of ChatGPT as well. I just go add photos and files. And I'm just going to navigate over to the website one when I've done it here. There we go. And then click open. Now, what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to copy and paste across the prompt that I have. Okay, so here it is in the blog post. So I'm just going to hit this button over here and let's see what it does for me. Okay, let's see here. Yeah. Well, I like this already. Please do both. Charts and summary inside the Excel file and a ready-made PowerPoint slide. Let's do it. I like this, thinking longer for a better answer. I'm happy with that. Planning, output, and next steps. Thought for 55 seconds. I like that. I'm still letting it do a thing. Okay, let's see what's happening here. Compare and final outputs. Still waiting. Oh, let me go down here. Ooh, this looks good. This is very, very comprehensive. So why don't we download the Excel file? Okay, so I've downloaded the Excel file and you can see it's summarized all the data here. Just going down here to the bottom. Just do a little right click down here. And if I go right to the bottom, you see it gives me charts. Wow. Okay, and then the key findings. See there, that is really good. Now let's see what the PowerPoint looks like. Okay, this is what the PowerPoint looks like. Wow. See there? Place. Now, I still think that I probably need to go back and just review that, okay, because it is automatically generated. But you can see there straight away that the outputs are, certainly in this scenario, in this experiment, way ahead of what I did with Copilot. Okay, so I hope this has given you a bit of an idea of some of the ways you can experiment with ChatGPT. And I look forward to seeing your comments and thoughts. Take care, mind yourself, bye.